state.
Why does Bihar not? Why does Bihar not?
Now it also has famous place.
Bihar can't become. Why does Bihar can't?
But this rules will. But our prime minister
It means that
try to cover every state.
from 100 years there's no.
100 years will become a PM of this.
Then you will only spending money on people, and we will nothing.
Listen, brother. I will listen, but now
How much they have invested on fighting? They can invest on the human being. How much they are investing on scheme this type of they can invest on the education system. They can do, China education system is very good. In their school they can do the develop due to the education. By education we can also fast in the technology development. Due to economic system our also is better in the if we are in education.
Okay, can you visit India as a
okay, you tell about educating. Then India is the previous time very have money, but when British come and do rule, that due to this
that's why now economic condition
They are not good to the
India can not
but you because why they not this country
they are investing but result is not coming.
then
they are not see the Pakistan condition nowadays and Indian condition.
Yeah,
If India is not going to not be showing any effect, then India is what is the condition of Pakistan? That condition is not India.
now they will invest money on the people then the main
But people like that now. But I
People like that. They can say the
previous time we had people that when they are attacking on us.
You know,
Pakistan he can do attack on us.
when we will try
See them now.
when we will try to do the friendship with anybody, so it is good. You know now Russia, China.
They want something wrong. And you know what? Russia have a previous time that on factory they will make gun that also. But now it is India.
India can. So now you had seen that how they had played the debate. It was nice debate between both teams, and I think that Muskan and Ahana point was more correct than them. They was also right, but some place they had gone wrong, and that's why the winner of this debate is Ahana and Muskan, because they had talked about the for the country development, but they had they do not talk about they had not delivered the answer and the reply that why Bihar has not developed. If the country is investing their money in the making missiles and other things, so why not developing a country invest their money in developing their own human capital? So it is an important thing. They had gone right for that. So the winner of this debate is both of this team, and the previous debate was won by Nikhil and one more Vivek. So Vinayak, and so clap for them.